The world of artificial intelligence is shaped by a few giants: OpenAI, Nvidia, and AMD. OpenAI builds the brains. AI models like ChatGPT. Nvidia and AMD create the muscle, the powerful chips that make AI possible. Recently, these companies have formed unprecedented partnerships, investing billions in each other. This isn't just business as usual, it's a new model where money and technology flow in a loop, fueling rapid growth. OpenAI needs ever stronger computers. Nvidia and AMD need customers for their advanced chips. Their solution: invest in each other, ensuring both have what they need to dominate the future. The scale is staggering: data centers the size of cities, packed with millions of AI chips. These collaborations are building the digital backbone for the next era of technology. Their success will ripple across industries, from healthcare to entertainment. It's not just about tech, it's about creating a self-sustaining ecosystem for innovation. OpenAI gets the hardware it needs. Nvidia and AMD secure massive long-term orders. This bold strategy is redefining how trillion-dollar tech empires are built. The stakes: nothing less than the future of artificial intelligence. The age of isolated tech giants is over. Now, they're fueling each other's rise. In September 2025, Nvidia made headlines by pledging $100 billion to OpenAI. This isn't just a cash infusion, it's to build colossal data centers for the next generation of AI. In return, OpenAI commits to filling those centers with Nvidia's most advanced chips. For Nvidia, it's a guaranteed market and a way to cement its dominance. For OpenAI, it means nearly unlimited computing power to push AI forward. This partnership is a win-win. Nvidia funds the infrastructure, OpenAI buys the chips. The deal's scale is unprecedented, signaling a new era of mega investments in AI. It's not just an upgrade, it's a leap in computing power. The world took notice. $100 billion is a bet on AI's future. These two companies are now deeply intertwined, each driving the other's success. The era of massive-scale AI has officially begun. Just weeks after the Nvidia deal, OpenAI surprised everyone by partnering with AMD, Nvidia's main rival. OpenAI isn't putting all its eggs in one basket, it's diversifying its hardware suppliers. The deal: OpenAI will buy tens of billions in AMD chips, instantly elevating AMD's status in AI. OpenAI also becomes a major AMD shareholder, tying their futures together. This isn't just about buying chips, it's a long-term alliance. Now OpenAI benefits from AMD's growth, and AMD gets a flagship customer. By working with both Nvidia and AMD, OpenAI ensures competition and innovation. The AI hardware market is no monopoly. Competition will drive progress. OpenAI's strategy: avoid dependence, encourage rivalry, and secure the best tech. The result? A dynamic, competitive landscape for the future of AI. These deals are called circular deals. Money and products flow in a loop. Nvidia invests in OpenAI. OpenAI uses that money to buy Nvidia chips. Revenue circles back to Nvidia. The same goes for AMD, with OpenAI now a major investor and customer. This model solves a core problem. AI needs massive, expensive computing power, and chipmakers need guaranteed buyers. Circular deals create a self-sustaining ecosystem, accelerating innovation for all involved. But there are concerns. Is this real demand, or are companies inflating their own markets? Critics warn that if one company stumbles, the whole system could be at risk. The industry's biggest players are now deeply interdependent. This new business model is fueling the AI boom, but also raising questions about its stability. The future of AI may depend on how well this circular system holds up. Why do these mega deals matter? Because they're building the foundation of our future. AI from these data centers will touch every part of our lives, from medicine to movies to daily routines. These investments are speeding up the AI revolution, making what once took decades happen in years. But the risks are real. If the circular deals falter, the whole industry could wobble. Power is concentrating among a few giants, raising questions about competition and fairness. Will smaller players get left behind? The choices made by OpenAI, Nvidia, and AMD will shape the world we live in. These deals aren't just business, they're the blueprints for the next technological revolution.